You're at a showing, and you ask the seller's agent a reasonable question. Is this a safe neighborhood? Why are they selling? Did anything bad happen in this house? And you get a vague, practiced non-answer. Here's what most buyers miss. The agent usually isn't being evasive. In many cases, they are legally not allowed to tell you. Here are 4 things the seller's agent can't, or won't, say, and how to find them anyway. Start with the one fact that changes everything. The friendly agent hosting the open house does not work for you. They work for the seller. Their legal job is to get the seller the highest price and the best terms. You are on the other side of that deal. So asking them for the inside scoop means asking the seller's own representative to help you pay less. They're not hiding the ball. The rules were simply never set up in your favor. And on top of that, 2 very different rules keep them quiet. Some things they legally cannot tell you, because federal law flat out prohibits it. Other things they are simply not required to disclose, so they won't. Once you understand which is which, their silence stops feeling personal, and starts telling you exactly where you need to go digging on your own. So let's break down the 4 big ones. And this is exactly why I built BuyerBeAware.io. The seller's agent legally can't describe the neighborhood for you, and isn't required to research what surrounds the property. But the public record can, and it does not take a side. You put in any address, and it pulls what the agent can't or won't: nearby registered offenders, environmental sites, flood risk, planned construction. The things they can't say out loud are very often already sitting in the record. The link is in the description. Number 1, and this one surprises everyone, is this a good neighborhood? Ask the seller's agent whether an area is safe, or family-friendly, or right for people like you, and a well-trained agent will refuse to answer. That is not them being cagey. The Federal Fair Housing Act makes it illegal for an agent to steer you toward, or away from, an area based on race, religion, family status, or national origin. Even a warm, "Oh, you'll love it here," can cross that line. So they are trained to hand you the data sources and let you look for yourself. Number 2, how low will the seller really go? It is the question every buyer wants answered, and the one the agent is most bound to protect. That same fiduciary duty means they legally cannot reveal the seller's bottom line, or the real reason they are selling: a divorce, a job loss, a foreclosure, without the seller's permission. An agent who blurts out they're desperate, make any offer, has just breached their duty to their own client. So don't fish for it. Read the record instead: the price history, the days on market, any liens. The motivation is usually sitting right there. Number 3, did anyone die in this house? Here, the rule flips completely. In most states, a death, even a violent one, counts as a stigma, not a physical defect. And the agent is not legally required to bring it up. Some state laws go further and specifically shield agents from any liability for staying silent. A few states, like California, do require disclosing a recent death. But in most of the country, if you want to know, you have to ask directly. And even then, "I'm not required to answer that," is a perfectly legal reply. Number 4, what is wrong with the area around the house? Most seller disclosure laws only cover the property itself. The roof, the plumbing, the foundation. They usually do not require the seller or the agent to research or reveal what is off the lot. The planned 6-lane road behind the back fence. The registered offender 2 doors down. The rendering plant whose smell only shows up in August. None of that is their job to tell you. It is, however, sitting in public records, zoning filings, offender registries, permit databases, waiting for the one buyer who actually looks. So here is the takeaway. 1, they legally can't tell you if it's a good neighborhood, because fair housing forbids it. 2. They legally can't reveal how low the seller will go. 3. In most states, they don't have to tell you about a death in the home. And 4. They are not required to reveal anything past the property line. On all 4, the agent's silence is your cue to go check the public record yourself. None of this makes the seller's agent a villain. They are just doing the job the rules gave them, which is not working for you. So stop expecting the other team to coach you. Ask the records instead. And before you sign, read them.